What's up, guys and girls of YouTube? How's it going today? Alan Horn again with Utah Window Experts, back at you. One of the owners of the business here, been doing this about 24 years. And if you're here to see how to change a balance spring on your window, or to even find out maybe what a balance spring is, you've come to the right place. We're going to show you every step of the way so you don't have to have somebody come out and charge you hundreds of dollars to fix something that literally takes 10 seconds or a minute, depending on the difficulty of what's happening with your window. So let me show you a window and describe to you what potentially the issue could be. You might be having a couple of different types of issues. So here we go. Balance spring. It's the spring that is located within the window here. It's on the sash portion of the window. The sash is the slider part that goes up and down on a single hung, or some people call it a double hung window. And there actually are different types of sash balances that we can see on different types of windows if your window's older or if it's a different brand or style. But I would say in the 24 years I've been doing this, that this particular type of balance spring is on about 80% of the windows that are out there right now. So hopefully you've come to the right place to look at a newer vinyl window with the type of balance spring that we have. I'll take one out here in a minute so you can see what it looks like. But what can happen on these windows sometimes? They wear out, they get old, you've had a lot of use over the years, and the first thing you could do is just swap out or exchange the balance spring that's in there right now for a new one. You could go to your local window store. There's places online, actually, I think even on Amazon. You can go on and purchase these balance springs. What you do though is you have to take it out first to get the number on it. So what you do is you open the window. If you can, sometimes those balance springs are going to be jammed in the sides, so you can't do that. But what you're going to do is open the window, even if you have to force it a little bit. We're going to try to do that to open it up. Second thing you're going to do, up in the top here, in the track on the top portion of the window, you're going to have a silver clip. Usually they're silver, could be another color, but there's little clips, one on either side, and you're going to get your fingernail. If they're really stuck in there, you can get like a flathead screwdriver. You're going to pop those out. We'll show you in a minute here, a close up on those. Pop those out, and then you're going to get the window sash right here, and you're going to, there's a little play left and right. What you're going to try to do is center that window sash in the track just before you get to those springs. And as soon as you get to the springs, what happens, or to the clips, excuse me, what happens when you get to those clips is the balance springs that are underneath this sash that are kind of hidden, you can't see them until you do this, they're going to catch, the top of the balance spring is going to catch on that clip. And what happens is once they catch, then you're going to move your sash all the way to one side, left or right, move it all the way over, and then you're going to pop it out of the opposite side first. And then after you do that, pop it out of the other side that you didn't start with. So you got your sash out. So now what we're going to do is once we have the sash out, we're going to show you what the balance spring looks like. It's this silver metal thing. It's got some nylon fittings top and bottom. And now, again, if one reason why you need to replace these is if your sash starts to kind of walk down. You open your window to get some nice fresh air, your sash will begin to creep down on you. That means those balance springs are worn out. They need to be replaced. So if that's just the case, piece of cake, no problem. Come to your balance spring right here. You're going to see a number on here. This one happens to be the 20-3. What it is, it's the length of it and then also the weight of it. So you need both of those numbers to be able to get a new one. And I think there's like 2 manufacturers in the whole world that make these things, maybe a little more than that. But they're all the same. They're all universal. If you have that number, you can go on to Amazon, you can go to different websites on the internet and just buy these things. They're probably, if you just bought them, they're probably 10 bucks a piece or something like that. So much cheaper than having us or another person come out to replace them for you. So get that number, order your new balance spring, come out, you can swap them out now at this point. So to swap them out, to get the new one, old one out, new one in, you go over here, you're going to, as you can see, the top of this balance spring is now hooked underneath the metal clip. You're going to take the whole balance spring and you're going to move it down so it goes below that metal clip. You're going to pull it out and then carefully, don't let go of it because it's spring loaded. Carefully move this up and pull it out. There's a little hook right here that hooks into a little hole in the side of the window frame. So you take that out. Once you have your new one, let's say this is your new one, you just reverse the process. You first start at the little metal clip on the bottom, put it in the hole, pull it down, make sure you get that metal clip in that hole really well, or else what can happen is it can spring back and hit you in the hand. The balance spring can go flying. So be careful. As they say in some of these videos, home improvement, wear your safety glasses, please. Don't blame it on me if we poke an eye out or something. I'm sure you can do this fine though. So once you do, you plug the bottom part into that hole, load the spring as you move the spring down like that, and then you're going to put the top of the balance spring clip right underneath. So the top of the balance spring nylon kind of plastic clip underneath the metal clip that we pressed out earlier. That's how to take it out. That's how to replace it. So I'm going to go over another scenario that actually can happen sometimes as well. So what I'm going to do is pretend like we have a problem. I'm going to start this balance spring in the wrong place, which it finds itself sometimes. If those clips wear out, those metal clips break or wear out, what can happen? I'll show you what this looks like. If I can get this in. Okay, perfect. Yes, I did what I wanted to do. Okay, what happens sometimes, I see this all the time. We go to people's homes. They say, I want my windows replaced. They're terrible. I hate them, whatever, they don't work. So what happens actually is sometimes we actually can save people money. I'll go to the bid, look at the window, I come over and immediately I can see, okay, I can see why the window's not working. Your balance spring here is out of place. It's completely out of that clip. It's not hooked into the sash, so it's not going to be working. What happens here is now the window completely doesn't stay up because it only has one balance spring out of two. Sometimes this will get jammed in there and everything. So if you find yourself in this situation, which actually happens a lot, like I said, I see it all the time, is all you have to do, as long as the other side is intact, in place, it's working, you come here with this balance spring, literally load it like this, like we did, push it down, pull the clip up. That's what happens. Sometimes they'll like bounce over the clip and then they'll get out of place. Lift the clip up again like you'd install one, like we taught you previously. Put it in there under the clip, and then you kind of reverse the process. Now what you got to do, unclip the other side. So now both balance springs will be connected on those clips, again like we did before. Now they're both clipped in place, exactly where they should. So again, once you get to that point, reverse the process. You've got your clips and balance springs in place. Bring your sash, put it in one side first. And this is important too. When you're putting your sash back in, the bottom of the sash has to be above this little nylon piece right here. Put one side in, put the other side in. You got to center it as you pull it down. Pull it down carefully, and we got it. Voila. As you notice, we had it centered properly, so both balance springs connected to the sash. What can happen is if you have it on one side farther than the other, it'll only connect to one balance spring. So in that case, you would just start over. You'd move it up, disconnect the balance spring where it sits, try again, try recentering it. So we've got it centered. We've got our balance springs connected to the sash. And once you're done, it's important, push these clips back down. Push both of those back down. If you don't, it's gonna, connect onto those springs or the clips every time you go in and try to open your sash. So that's how to replace, that's how to inspect, that's how to diagnose, and that's how to repair these balance springs on windows. Pretty easy. Give us a shout out here at Utah Window Experts if you have any questions. Thank you. See you guys.